Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a Blackstone Griddle organizer. So let's open this up. So let's see what we get inside. It's like they're mounting brackets. A bunch of different hooks. Looks like a paper towel holder that will go right here. So that's pretty cool. Some accessory hooks. Then we have these dividers. That's pretty neat. Go in there. And you can size them to wherever you need. So that separates the caddy. And then you have these hooks that will mount like that. So we can pretty much put these down here or off on the side here, probably be better for this application. Alright, we're going to hook that like that. Okay, so once you have these in place, you want to line this up on the wire, then kind of push down, and then there you go. And then you can adjust it to wherever you need. And then you got your paper towels nice and handy there. And then you got your things for different accessories. And then you have a bunch of hooks that you can put here on the outside for all sorts of different accessories. So put them down here for different grill utensils. And then everything is right here for you. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mall. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.